Tallow lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Special for to our Ainga members. It's another beautiful Saturday morning here in Samoa, but not so beautiful with the events that we found out this week with regards to the cattle farm. Yeah, not feeling too good about it. Yeah, so found out that the cow that went missing, the bull, the black and white bull, didn't actually go missing. It was actually stolen. By who? Not sure at this point, but that's why we're gonna head to the cattle farm and find out. Try and see if we can get some clues. I'll show you guys the footage there from Ba'a that he placed in his story. Ba'a was pretty pissed about it as well. I'm pretty pissed about it too, but you know, that's the part of farming anyway. You know, there are people that are not very, I don't know, they have bad hearts, bad intentions, and it's just sad because, you know, given the fact that they can go do their own stuff and yet come and steal our stuff. So that's part of life. But we're going to head to the cattle farm now. I'm just here at the gate. We're going to open it up and head to the cattle farm. So we'll catch you guys there. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share our channel, guys. See you soon. Alright guys, so we're finally here at the cattle farm. We'll leave unloading the water for them. So got the water there. Jeez. We'll leave for later because the cows aren't interested in drinking at the moment. So, but we're just gonna need to put on my boots. Then we'll head off and check out the side where it was damaged and see how we go from there. Alright fam, we're off. I think I'm gonna pour some water for this one because she's already here. why I didn't want to call them out, because I wanted to go do my chores first. But this damn cow here, this small one, was walking here and calling out all the rest of the cows. Now look, they're all coming. Damn, now I have to pour more water. Oh well, let's do it. Go pour sisi, akare, me pisa fu. So yeah, might as well do it. So one of the good things that, with regards to the hole in the fence that someone cut open, was that these cows are very tamed. You know, lalaka povi. Had it not been the case, they would have taken all the cows out. Whoever stole the bull, and as a result, we wouldn't have any cows here left on the farm. So, you know, I'm really happy that these cows know not to go when someone's calling them, because, you know, we would have lost all the cows on the cattle farm. Just need to pour some more water. I don't want to go back out because it's a whole lot of mess, so I'm just grabbing it through the fence here, and then yeah, I'm just gonna pull it under this spit. Jeez, just drop it. There we go. Here we go. Always rely on a fat person to make things easier. Tilly, Alright, so just finished pouring the water for the cows. About 5 gallons. Not gallons, the containers there. And now I'm just gonna head off to that side, check where the fence was damaged, but also check the rest of the cows, because I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th one is in there. So we've got about 5 that's not here. So I'm just gonna walk down that side and check. Johnny, Jesus. Sus. So there was actually 11 on that side, so we've got 4 that's not accounted for. Not too worried, because if they're not around here, they're probably at the bottom corner of the cattle farm. So while we're walking, just scanning the cattle fence, looking for any new disruptions to the lines, and then we'll have a closer look, but just walking along the edges and scanning it. We're almost towards the bit that was damaged, and I'll actually show you guys and I'll show you guys a drone footage of the actual side, because it's so close. You guys can see there, it's so close to the Awalangalui. If people wanted to steal the cows, they would always come on this side, and that's why I don't like it, because I remember back then we did used to use this side. That was before we had the track to the cattle farm, so we used this side as a means to, when we slaughter cows, we would drag it down this side. But since we had the track, the access to the farm, we didn't need to use this side anymore, and as a result we neglected it and no longer decided to fix it up. So here we are, and as you can see, Pa'a has decided to put in new posts. So this was the side that was actually damaged, and if you see again from the drone footage, you can see that, you can see the Awalangalu just down there. You guys can see that. That's the road there. So this is where we believe because there was a hole here that they actually took the cows, the bull. Very bad, very sad people. But you know, you steal because the only reason why you would steal is because you're not working. Go work the land and you won't be able to steal. So yeah, this was the side, and then we'll just quickly go along that side. There's more down that side. I'll show you once we get there. You can see all those cows there? Those are roaming cows. These are the ones that usually come and stomp all over the plantation, and they belong to families that just neglect their cattle farms, you know, which is very sad. Oh, thought that was my bull I saw down there. We also lost in the beginning one of our bulls we bought. I think it was a drought master bull. We lost it the same day we bought it. So yeah, funny stuff, man. But I usually see it roaming around with the rest of the cows, these cows that roam around, and that's why I'm not worried, because it's still roaming around with these cows, and we'll probably catch them once they come back here. Let's continue, because I'm hearing different voices of cows around this area. Alright, so this is another spot that was damaged, and you can see why people tend to come damage this side is because it's so easy. See, you can even see the tracks going down that side. But there's a reason we were going to close this bit off. I'm still trying to want why we didn't close this off, but we'll definitely get to closing it off now. Alright guys, so I just remembered the reason why we didn't close off that bit there was because we were going to ask the family that owns the land next to there if we could open up this side and take the cows out so they can eat on the grass on that side. So that was the reason. Yeah, not ideal. Alright, let's continue. I'm actually gonna make this a regular thing now, because I hardly walk around the fence, only because once the cows are accounted for, when they come to the front to drink, I just assume that everything's okay. But the fact that there are people actively stealing cows in the village, it's not a good sign. So I have to make the effort to ensure, because these are investments, you know, and you want to make sure your investments are well protected. Here's another area that's usually damaged. You can see down there, it's just because it's easier access for these people that steal. Alright, so we're now on the southeast corner of the gate, which connects us to the other family's cattle farm. And I just wanted to come check this side, just in case. Right. So far, so good. Spotted the other cow right there. So I'm just going to quickly walk around a bit more. We're now on the southwest corner of the gate. Yeah, everything looks okay here. Also noticed that I already closed off the gate there. If you guys hear, that's the entrance to the other plot for the cows, so that's good. So all the cows should either be in this block or the one at the top. Just gonna burn some lama, the dry coconut leaves, for the cows to lick on later, to gather some more from there. All right, it's looking very well. It's also good to let people know you're here. The stealers, that is. The thieves. Alright, let's head off to another location and we'll burn some more coconut leaves around. Probably should have picked a better location than burning it next to the new, but it's alright. Should be okay. Cows, see? Cows are already curious. What's going on, man? Alright, 2 for 2. Just keep going. Alright, starting 3. Two in the back of that one. First one over there. Alright, as you can see, cows are already coming over, but it's not yet time to eat or lick the salt, the ashes, because we need to first let it cool. I mean, they need to let it cool. I'm not gonna lick it. Just gonna gather some more. This is always nice to help them with their diet. Another good thing about doing this is because all the cows get to come, and as a result, all the cows are here. Makes it easier to count. So all 15 cows are here now, which is good, and that makes my work easier. They can either go and start from that side, or they could start from, but see, they're just Talish, Fakali. Yeah, la ko leve villa. Shh. Fakad. Yeah, so they're just gonna, obviously they know it's hot. You guys can see they're just curious and all, but they can either yang fasol solo mai le rumai te fakali tali fakad. Alright guys, so see, this is tali. This is how you know, this is how you build the relationship with your livestock, you know. See, this guy really wants to play. So yeah. But yeah, this is why I'm really grateful for the cows, our cows on our cattle farm, is because they're really tamed and stuff. And you know, the fact that someone came and stole our bull, you know, it's really troublesome. Something I wasn't very happy with this week, but you know, it's their loss. You know, it's not a loss for me because you know the cattle farm is growing, but you know, it's really sad to see that kind of attitude, you know, with the people here. You know, I feel mga oyaki nga ero wa nga le kom fe fe me le nga le yaki nga ero wa nga ok so ngoi pofi but yeah, see, this is how you create a good relationship with the cows, you know. May call team bonding. Different mako team bonding malawang. Kwa mau popol wa nga kam. Me wi nga asaw ngoi. Yeah. Tau fa ngoi aving on mer pulu. Nga la fia ka. Ya ngai fingi. Ya fa mau popol mako mikyo kinga. But yeah, guys, you know, I was really sad this week with you know, what happened here on the farm. But it's, you know, God will provide, and judgment will be passed on to those you know, that do wrong. So I'm no one to judge, you know. Avi mga yan nga po. Afay fe ole makamaka may muki ngo are makamaka. Ya aviro ma nga po. But le pole ya. Foi ko fa ko po. Nang foi de ko ang usaw kom fa yaki nga ay may o ko nga. Choki. Oh, Mekako. And what we do. If I make it, yaki either way. But yeah, guys, that's enough ranting from me. Just gonna wait for these ashes to cool, just so I can be around the cows, supervise them, in case one of them gets burnt. But yeah, got the new generation. Look at these ones, these small guys. They're like, the hell is this guy? God, must have yeah, but they'll get used to it. See, this guy, the black and white one, is an exact duplicate of the bull that we lost, because that's actually his son. So no lost. We've already got him. We already got a line for that guy, the bull that we lost. So it's no problem for me, you know. But you can't steal a bull and then, I don't know, man, they sold it or maybe slaughtered it to sell. It's just sad. Anyway, see, I'll show you guys the cows. They're actually licking the ashes now. Smile, guys, you're on YouTube. But yeah, see, the ash is very important for the diet. It's kind of like the block of salts from the agriculture store, but not necessarily the same. So, but it's good. It provides that bit of salt for the diet. Trying to eat my shoe. Gotta get down and dirty. Mat, what's the mat? Deixa o pé, deixa o pé. Alex, Steve. All right, guys. Oh man, so tired. But I think I'm gonna sign off. Need to head back home. I've got a little errand to run today. I'm actually heading off to one of my mates' place today. He's getting married soon, so we've got a whole thing going on today in the evening towards tonight. Hopefully, if we'll see, we might continue the episode there, but I think I'm gonna head off home now. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, guys. But if you've enjoyed today, just be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. I really appreciate the love you guys have shown for the channel, and the support really means a lot to me that you guys enjoy our videos and stuff. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless. Stay safe, guys. Have a great weekend. We'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I came back just to show you guys the reason why I'm burning this coconut. Obviously this coconut has died, and because of that it is a very good breeding, and probably because of the rhinoceros beetle, which is a pest for coconut farms. So if there are any eggs in that, I don't want it to spread to the other coconuts and destroy the coconut here. So which is why I'm burning this now, to get rid of any rhinoceros beetles and eggs inside there.